Okay, I will spoken English pattern is no. Let me assure you that we are close love. So go Yonji Zay no make ama can I'm as sure, no as sure. Are you sure everything will be okay? No, yeah, along as simply darling, are you sure maintain sure so you'll be with that I sure. Let me assure you that everything will be fine. Ya alonga simply mesurago. Let me assure you. No, miunga ama kande ngao yung simply dwalime. Can I trust you? Ngamingo yung lo ya naimla. Can I trust you? No, let me assure you that I will keep my promise. No, I will keep my promise. Ngakati yung ngati resurago yung jize chende. Is my proposal information safe? I or proposal on people person no. My personal information is safe. No, I go ye a child level no information is safe. Say na. Let me assure you that your information is completely secure. Longa guma say yung jilo ya bare. Will you help me if I have a problem? Okay, will you help me? Mingao kuni mala. That is the first condition. No possibility to let me assure you that I always be there to help. Kuni poetry amanga and will be there. What guarantee can you give me? Hello, Ama, can you give me Mingao P9 the left? Let me assure you that the work will be completed on time. On time at zero achievement. Completed PC Bamedo Naga Mingo Yonji Zay. Should I be worried about the exam result? No Samua Yalanda Pata Video. Should I be worrying how so yin Buban Zay? Let me assure you that you done very well. How young they change, make a look at it, a tira bono, how young they chata look at it, a tira. Is there anything I should worry about? So yet let me assure you that there's nothing to worry about. No, nothing to worry about. So yet Yabama Mashibusura, young they change. Well, everything go according to plan. According to plan, SCSN. Everything will go. Let me assure you that we prepare carefully. You design go are you confident about the project? Are you confident? The confidence let me assure you that we finish it successfully. Our millionaire go well finished. How do I know this will work? How do I know? Let me assure you that we tested it thoroughly. Ever menano. Go tested a standard cabida surago young chende. As a charity to the color like this logia. Are you sure everything will be okay? Let me assure you that everything will be fine. Can I trust you? Let me assure you that I will keep my promise. Is my personal information safe? Let me assure you that your information is completely secure. Will you help me if I have a problem? Let me assure you that I always be there to help. What guarantee can you give me? Let me assure you that the work will be completed on time. Should I be worried about the exam result? Let me assure you that you done very well. Is there anything I should worry about? Let me assure you that there's nothing to worry about. Will everything go according to plan? Let me assure you that we prepare carefully. Are you confident about the project? Let me assure you that we finish it successfully. How do I know this will work? Let me assure you that we test it thoroughly. Okay, see you tomorrow.